Hi guys, I hope that you had a really nice session today. The market was extremely volatile. First of all, I would like to introduce Shreya over here. She is also a financial analyst. She has been in the financial markets, but she wanted to get her hands on practically in the market. So that's why she is with me, and she would be here present, and she would be learning the trading. You can say that she is kind of like my first one. So welcome to the session, Shreya, and we are going to go through the markets, all right? And I'm going to show you how we operate and how we trade in the actual market, not the theoretical market. Okay. All right. So, guys, anyways, let's go on with the analysis. And yeah, if she has any doubt, she would refer that to me, and I will be explaining where you should take the buy and sell tomorrow. Okay. So tomorrow, clearly, we have two levels. First level, which you can see, is 36,006. Okay, and this is the level where I would be taking up the buy initially. Tomorrow is Friday again. I'm expecting a good moment in the morning, but not afternoon, because I feel that during the afternoon time tomorrow, literally there would be no moment and the market would be literally going up and down. So I would recommend, if you are trading, you can go with two lots, and as soon as it breaks 36,006 level, we would go for a buy. Okay, and you can try with one lot. And the main thing which I'm also explaining to her, and which is also important for you guys, is that early profit booking is also a loss, because if you are booking your profits early, that means you're not confident, or you are scared of the loss. Because if you are booking 1000 rupee profit and your target is 2500, so actually you're making a loss of 1500, because you would not always book a profit in the market. In the market, we operate with 70% probability, that too with a good setup. That means 70% chance you'll be profitable, 30% chance you might end up with a loss, or 60-40. But when you are making a profit, your profits are big, so that it covers the losses, and overall on a net basis you are on a profitable stage. Okay, so we are going with two lots or one lot as soon as it crosses this level. And the downside, guys, if you see this level, this is the level where I would be going short. That is, I would be selling Bank Nifty, and the level is 35,907. Okay, but again, if the market opens with a huge gap up or huge gap down, which is contrary to the news, then I would not be going for the buy or sell. In fact, I would be rather going for the contra move. समझ रहे हो ना, अगर ज़्यादा ही बढ़ गया and I'm not expecting that, so I would be I would be going short instead of going long, because people who have already bought today, tomorrow when the market opens with a huge gap up, they would be sitting with a huge amount of profit. So they want to book their profit, and when they sell, the market will come down. Are you getting the psychology? If it opens with a huge gap up, even though the sentiments are positive, सब लोग सोच रहे हैं हाँ आज अच्छा दिन है, खरीदेंगे, पर कैसे खरीदेंगे इतना ऊपर? वो लोग सोचेंगे कि नीचे आने दो, और कुछ कुछ फ्रेश सेलर्स भी आएंगे. They also would like to sell the market at that point. Okay, so I hope everything is clear. So that's the plan basically, guys, in Bank Nifty. And one more observation which I have made: if you take the Fibonacci, I'm taking the swing high and swing low, and we are doing the analysis on the hourly time frame. Okay, so if we do this and we check the point, you can see exactly at the 50% retracement, which is 35,922. If I go to this spot chart, 35,922 would be, this would be the level for Bank Nifty. Okay, so at around about this level, Bank Nifty can take a support, so make sure that you note down this level too.
Sorry.
So these are the level where Bank Nifty can take a support, because according to our Fibonacci, this is the 50% retracement level. Okay, so please be careful again about this level, but if it breaks, then we can expect a good downfall we can expect, where's that stupid pen? So if it breaks, guys, okay, it bounces. If it breaks and it closes somewhere at around this point, we can expect a good downfall till this level, but we would be using this swing. Okay, this swing we would be using for our first target, which is 35,821. Okay, so that is the basic plan for Bank Nifty. Coming on to Nifty, guys, I have already drawn a Fibonacci over here for you, and you can see the important level for Nifty is exactly this point. Can you see this point? This is the middle point, and if I delete this, okay, you'll be able to see it clear. But let me first note down the level, which is 16,267. This is the level for the Fibonacci. All right, if I delete this now, it will be clearer. So 16,000, around about this level, you can see that Bank Nifty, I mean Nifty, has respected this level for quite some time. Just give me a moment. So this is the level you can see Nifty has respected. Okay, whenever it broke, it came down, but again it's trying to take a bounce at this point. So this level would be very important. I'm expecting it to come down to this level over here and take a bounce. Are you getting how it, so yeah, I'm expecting it to take a bounce over there, and then perhaps you may take up a buy if it creates a green candle. But initially, we are not interested in buying Nifty unless there is a huge amount of positivity. But Nifty is overall looking much more stronger than Bank Nifty, and it's at its all-time high, which is 16,000 कितना था 374. याद रहे वो लेवल का ऊपर निकलने से खरीदो उसको. ठीक है. Okay, guys, coming on to a few stock, we are just go through it really fast. Okay, Reliance had its annual general meeting, and you have seen the impressive rally in Reliance. I had recommended you guys to actually track Reliance when it was making a bottom over here. So this is the spot where I had recommended you to track Reliance, and then it went up. It did come down once, but it did not hit your essence. So it went up, it came down, but now you can see that it had clearly gone up, and I think there were some good news definitely, otherwise it wouldn't have continued this rally. And now it has sustained well above this level, so your buy would be exactly at 2096. Okay, in confirmation with this trend line, but it has broken the trend line, but I'm expecting it to bounce to this level. Okay, coming on to one more stock, guys, one thing which I want to clarify is if a downtrend comes into play, like for example Nifty is at its all-time high, and now say it's a, it's the top formation, and now the stocks, I mean now there would be a considerable amount of correction in Nifty, but in contrast to that, IT stock has an inverse correlation with Nifty and Bank Nifty. So when Bank Nifty and Nifty goes down, they go up. Okay, and IT won't be affected by pandemic corona because work from home, you're also studying from home, I'm also doing everything from home, and so these stocks won't go down. I'm expecting Wipro, since Wipro has formed the channel, I'm expecting Wipro to come to this level, which is 600, and then perhaps you can take up a buy only if it makes a bullish candle. Okay, in the 5-minute time frame, again I'm using the hourly time frame over here, and you can hold it for the long term. I'm expecting 1,000, guys, 1,000 level in Wipro. Okay, this is your target for Wipro this year, and I'm expecting it to be achieved really smoothly. 1,000. Watch it. लगा दो. So anyways, coming on to Mindtree, another IT stock which has made a really nice formation over here, which you can see. So this is called a pullback pattern, guys. Impulse move, okay, corrective move, impulse move, corrective move, and it has taken a pullback over here. Now I'm expecting it to go up, but let's see how the pattern formation takes place tomorrow. Don't take any decision on just with the huge gap up. Wait for it to come down, wait for the retest, then go for the buy. Okay, another Mindtree would be another IT stock for you. And one company which has been in my radar for quite some time, but it has not been respecting the level, which is IOC, Indian Oil Corporation. Okay, So as you see guys, the stock is quite cheap, but I'm expecting the level of 200 in the next year. For investment it's good, and right now it's again coming to these levels where it has taken a bounce previously. So this swing would be the point, would be the last point where you can take up a buy. Okay, but now it's currently in a sell mode, so I would not recommend this. Okay, so do you have any doubt regarding till now? It's clear. So I hope that you have liked this. I hope that it has been a wonderful learning for her, also interacting with her. And yeah, I hope to see you next time. So definitely subscribe to my channel and make sure to join in the Telegram group guys, because I share my live position book over there, where you would get an idea of where I'm taking a trade, and whenever I'm confident I'll be sharing the position over there. Okay, so I'll meet you next time. Take care. Bye. Bye, Olga. Bye.